Gotta nail some tack stuff in. I also need to buy some goldfish. Pond in the bag. You know, we took all the fish out, and I haven't been running the water fountain anymore since there's no fish. Now there's mosquito larvae in there, and I fucking hate mosquitoes, like with a passion. Well, I'm gonna go to PetSmart today or some, you know, fish store or something and get something that'll eat all those mosquito larvae, like goldfish, minnows, koi guppy eat mosquito larvae. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So put some more fish in there so they can eat all that stuff, and it'll just be its own little self-sustaining environment. Pay rent, pet store. Okay, so go to the bank, go to the pet store, go to the post office. Not in that order, but those are the next 3 things I gotta handle in the next couple hours. There used to be a big ass tree there, and they cut it down and got all this fucking shit all over my car. So I guess we'll add a car wash to that.
Woke her up around 1. She didn't hesitate to call Ice Cube the Top Gun. Over to the pad and I'm coasting. Took another sip of the potion, hit the 3-wheel motion. Over to the pad and I'm coasting. Took another sip of the potion, hit the 3-wheel motion.
Now I gotta get some fish to make sure they can eat all these damn mosquitoes in my little pond in the backyard.